In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a light leak transition on CapCut. A light leak transition creates a soft burst of brightness that washes across the screen and smoothly connects one clip to the next. It's perfect for adding warmth, energy, or a dreamy vibe to your edits, and it only takes a minute to set up. Start by opening CapCut and heading into the editor. If you're creating a new project, choose the aspect ratio that matches your final video, like 16:9 for widescreen. The layout may look slightly different depending on your device, but the process is the same. Next, bring in two video clips. Import the first clip, then add the second one right after it on the main timeline so they sit flush together with no gap. Make sure the cut between them is where you want the transition to happen. If you see any stray space or an accidental overlap, slide the clips so they touch exactly edge to edge. This ensures the effect sits cleanly between the two shots. Now, add the transition. Look for the small transition icon that appears between the two clips on the timeline and tap or click it. This opens CapCut's transition library, where you can browse a variety of styles. In the transition search or categories, type the word glare. This pulls up the glare option, which functions like a light leak, introducing a soft, bright flare that blends your clips together. If you don't see it right away, check your filters or scroll the list. Sometimes it's grouped with light or glow effects. Select glare to preview how it looks on your footage. Once you've found it, apply it to the cut. Adjust the duration to match your pacing. A shorter duration feels quick and punchy, while a slightly longer one gives a more cinematic, dreamy look. Watch how the flare interacts with the brightness of your clips. If your footage is already bright, a shorter effect can prevent it from feeling blown out. If the scene is darker, letting the effect linger a touch can add pleasing contrast. Play the sequence back and make small tweaks until the transition feels natural. You want the brightest part of the flare to pass right as the second clip begins, creating that seamless blend. That's it. Open CapCut, add two clips, insert a transition, type glare, and apply. With a few simple adjustments, you'll have a polished light leak transition that elevates your edit without distracting from the story.